Do you have a favorite 4th of July film to watch each year? Or any year?
Supersize Me.
Weird.
Celebrate America.
Very weird.
Hey, welcome back to our Stupid Reactions of Corbin. I'm Rick. You can follow us on Instagram and Twitter for juicy content. Thank you to everybody who supports the Patreon. Follow us to the account, subscribe, like button. Until America does something of note recently, they don't deserve to be celebrated.
What?
I don't know. I just decided to be a contrarian. Hey, welcome back to our Stupid Reactions of Corbin. I am a contrarian.
Yes, you are a contrarian.
We have a fighting!
Scared your dogs.
Superstar Rajinikanth. It's the best rain fight scene in
The best rain fight scene in Kaala.
Kaala.
I love watching people fight the rain.
Here.
This fight scene is from the movie Kaala by the same director as the boxing movie and the new Vikram movie. You should watch this movie sometime. It has Nana Patekar as the antagonist along with Pankaj Tripathi in the main role. Also has Huma Qureshi as well. The movie's based in Mumbai and is one a very revolutionary, well-made, and great performance-filled movie and will never win the poll, though. Hope you add it to your list.
Your mom wins the poll.
Every time. I'm happy to watch people fight the rain. It's a rain fight.
No, it's Lorraine.
Oh, I thought we set fire to Lorraine.
Yeah, we don't like her.
Adele set fire to Lorraine.
Here we go.
Weirdo. I bet you his wig stands up to the rain. He's going to use that umbrella.
I don't think it's going to go well for you.
Oh! I knew it. Nice.
Oh.
Nice. Oh, no. Oh, mama, past the greens. Oof.
Great strategy. You think you could come at Superstar Rajinikanth with 30 men and get away with it? Wow. Yeah.
Yeah,
I would
you
run.
better run. Always let them know you're coming with a yell before you strike. Oh!
Right in the face.
You asked for it. You got it. It's in the bad guy rule book. Rule number 1, scream before you strike.
Gotta do it.
Rule number 2, talk before you shoot.
Yes. You have to let them know you're coming.
It's
Or else
in
they'll
the
die,
rule book.
and then
It's
the movie's
etiquette.
over.
Yes, you do that to the good guy. Talk a lot before you shoot him, and scream before you hit. This is what you do.
It's got to be cool to see Superstar Rajinikanth like in a theater with a whole bunch of like during like the euphoria that would just happen in a theater while watching.
Yeah, and it'll never happen here.
No.
I know it just will never happen here. Not like it would if we were watching it in India.
No,
Nah.
unfortunately not.
Yeah.
But it'd be cool though, because and in India it goes wild because they got like people obviously throwing confetti and
Yeah.
different stuff, but they also have like light shows going on.
So if we could, for example, let's say we could do another India trip, say in the summer of 2024, right?
Yeah.
I'd like to time it around the release of a monstrous South Indian film
That would be cool.
so that we could see that monstrous South Indian film in a South Indian theater.
That would be cool.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's also in this was a more recent film, so he was 70 plus,
Kicking ass.
doing what he does.
Damn straight.
Which is really cool. I would love. We need to see because we've seen a few of his films now, but it's more of his older films. I want to see one of him like in his superstar element.
Right,
of,
right.
like, everything he does is just to watch Superstar Rajinikanth kick ass.
Yeah.
That's the entire point of the
Right.
film.
Yeah, me too. I want to see that really bad.
Because you would hope it'd be a lot of fun, right?
Yeah, I would assume
that
so.
kind of stuff. So please let us know what film that should be. Should be this? Should be a different one?
Entertainers.
Please let us know down below.
Juice!